to the train. They have created an elaborate maze in the Victoria station to pick up tickets. It's in the middle of the station, but the way you have to find out your way to the machine to print out your tickets is confusing. They also change the maze every time I'm here, so you will never know where to enter the maze and exit. So my plan for today is maybe to do some skydiving, but also to pick up my parachute from the drop zone and bring it back home. It's generally not good to leave it for winter because it gets really wet and damp in there, and moldy parachute is not a good thing. Made it to the Headcorn. Now going to cycle to the airdrome and see how the weather is like. I can see the sun. The fog is still quite thick and cloudy, but yeah, hopes are high.
To improve a little bit more, and hopefully we'll be able to get going fairly soon.
As you just heard, the fog is going away and we might as well get some jumps today, which will be amazing. Big hopes.
And then obviously it's open like that. And I did have quite tears in my eyes.
The jumping is happening. Let's go put the parachute on.
And you? I'm not packing, but you'll make it.
All out. Okay.
Oh,
sorry. That was fun. Something definitely happened because I'm the only guy who landed and nobody else can be spotted. What the hell is going on? At least someone will be picking me up, which is nice. Let's go and find out what's going on. Everything is good, I can see the jumpers now. And the hot air balloon. That was a fun jump. the sun is setting. To explain, I found out later on that in the airplanes they have a red and a green light. The red light lights up when you're supposed to open up the door and start looking down from the sky and spot. The green light, when lights up, you are okay to go. So there was a red light, we opened the door and I spotted, and then there was a green light. And as soon as the green light lit up, everyone just shouted at me, "Go, go, go!" So I literally jumped out of the airplane and enjoyed my flight. Turned out that after I jumped out, or even like moments before I jumped out, the green light went back to the red one, and then everybody did a couple of rounds around the airfield and waiting for something to clear up. That something might or might not be a hot air balloon, which I was passing by as I was gliding under my canopy. The hot air balloon was amazing. Anyway, fun jump. Let's pack up, and I think this was a final jump for the season. So yeah, enjoyed it a lot. I'm also transporting my parachute and a bunch of gear on a bike to the train station, and then through the whole London to Walthamstow. Let's see how this works. It works, but it's hard. Made it to the train station. Tonight I'm going to be the guy whom everyone will hate on the tube, with a bunch of stuff and a foldable bicycle. I don't care at this point. Catching a train back to London Victoria. I don't think they had this problem when they built this place. This is amazing. Let's see if I can make it.